Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I'm going to show you how to use a cookie cutter in an acrylic pour painting to help protect the shape of negative space. Today I'm doing sort of a sky theme where the clouds will look like there is sort of a heart in the center of the clouds. It's a really simple technique. So here I'm just doing a basic flip cup, which is just I'm using only 3 colors, and I'll put those in the description below. It's just a blue and white combination to make the sky. I'm just tilting out the paint to help stretch it and make it look a little more natural. All right, now that I have the base sort of stretched out appropriately, I'm going to grab my cookie cutter and I'm going to place it just directly onto the paint. And I'm going to start layering my colors around it. You'll see that I put a darker color on the bottom and then a lighter color on top. That's to help mimic the natural shadows that you would find out in the real world. Now I'm going to just use my hairdryer to blow this paint around. And you'll see that some of the colored paint got into the cookie cutter, which is not what I had intended to do. So I'm gonna just grab a paper towel and just sort of dab it in there to pick up all of that color out of there. And next I'm just going to use some of the leftover paint from my flip cup to just pour into the center here to preserve that heart shape. I'll just go ahead and remove the cookie cutter here, and there you have it. All right, this is the final piece. I just love how this turned out. It's so dreamy. It's a little bit nostalgic, right? It's a little bit like childhood. All right, well, that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time.